Hi guys, when we think about offline imports of new contact records into HubSpot, it represents our biggest source of bad hygiene. So today I've created a standardized template in Excel with the columns with demo populations. So we've got global region, B2B, B2C is generally always business user because it's B2B for you guys. Lifecycle stage, obviously MQL, lead, SQL. Now it doesn't recognize MQL and SQL. You'll notice that they need to be typed in as marketing qualified, lead and sales qualified. Custom lifecycle stage, is it from an exhibition? Is it a distributor or dealer? Or is it, you can leave that unpopulated if there's nothing custom about it. Imported source, that's just a single line of text field. So you can generally pump in there what you like and it'll make sense to you if you view this in the left hand pane of the contact record, or if you're doing some reporting from HubSpot. Exhibition event, lead gen source, again single line of text, put in there what it's referenced to. The lead source is an exhibition, is it a referral, did they see it at another club, type of customer, HVLP, 24/7, distributor, then contact owner, first name, last name, all the standard stuff across there. It's these first few columns that we generally find are not populated within HubSpot. So when you're importing a contact, you don't do it at source from your import XLS, and you don't then back populate once the contact record's live. You don't go in and populate these fields. To give you assistance with these, what I've done is given you the options of the drop down criterion. So these columns here, such as type of customer, lead source, exhibition event, these are drop downs, so they're already in there for you to select. So type of customer, boutique, dealer, distributor and onwards. These numbers here are just giving you the population volumes. It's really for reference for the likes of Emmett and the sales directors of the regions, not for you guys. Don't worry about the numbers, but what it does give you an indicator of is how low the volumes are of population within these fields. So going forward, these represent a big source of hygiene and an element in which we need to improve on when we're importing contacts. And so again, just lead source, it's drop down, exhibition event, it's drop down. If you see one that's not fully populated in terms of the drop down, you can't select what you need to, email me with what needs adding in and I'll add it that day. Same with a custom life cycle. If that is relevant to your contact that you're importing, then please do select one of these. Guys, I'll leave a link to this document so that you can download it in this XLS simple spreadsheet format. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Again, use these fields as standardized templates. So if you're in the AMER region, then leave that in there so you can see the format in which it needs to be in, because the CRM will not understand AMER, for example. It needs it written in that format. And the same going forward with these columns. Obviously, take out any cells that aren't applicable. So if it's not an exhibition, then obviously that cell there would just be blank. You just delete that out. And the same with overwriting the life cycle stage. But this demo data is to give you an idea of exactly how the CRM understands and reads the data that we put in there. The other option is obviously continue with your simple offline uploads using the import. But when you actually when the contact record is then live and imported, go into the left hand pane in your contact and backfill it from here if that's easier for you instead of using the spreadsheet. So simply mark it as a business user, choose the global region that's applicable, give it the type of customer from the drop down, give it the original lead source. Was it a referral? Is it from prospecting? Did you see it at another club? Imported source, again, not to worry, but if you have imported it from the XLS, this is just a single line of text. You could put something in there that references it when we report. If it is an exhibition, then please do use the drop down. Any that are missing, email me, I'll add it in the same day. It's really important that we start to populate these volumes. Going forward is key critical for our reporting, even down to the deal and onboarding pipelines. It's all going to start to categorize and drag forward this information. Thanks very much for your time.